Good morning, children. A very warm welcome to all of you. Wishing you a wonderful day. I am your Prerna ma'am. Yesterday we have learnt about germination. Let's revise it once again. Germination. The growth of a seed into a big plant is called germination. Plants grow from seeds with the help of sunlight, air, soil and water. To grow a plant, a seed is sown in the soil. प्लांट उगाने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें मिट्टी में सीड डालना होता है. After a seed is sown, we have to water it regularly. सीड डालने के बाद हमें रोज़ इसमें पानी देना होता है. This water is absorbed by the seed. ये सारा पानी सीड में जाता है. And it softens the seed coat. जो सीड के सीड कोट को सॉफ्ट कर देता है. Seed coat is the outer covering of the seed. Seed coat सीड की outer covering है. Which splits, जो कि split हो जाता है. And a tiny root grows downwards. और उसमें से एक tiny root निकलती है जो नीचे की तरफ जाती है. After some time, a tiny shoot comes out of it and grows upwards. कुछ टाइम बाद उसमें से एक tiny shoot भी निकलती है जो ऊपर की तरफ जाती है. It will then grow into the stem and leaves of a new plant. और कुछ दिनों में एक न्यू प्लांट ग्रो होने लगता है जिसमें स्टेम और लीव्स आने लगते हैं. Along with stem and leaves, roots also come out of the plant. Leaves और stem के साथ roots भी grow होने लगते हैं. Roots fixes the plant to the soil. Roots plant को अच्छे से soil में fix करके रखते हैं. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Roots soil से water और minerals को absorb करते हैं. Soon baby plants grows into a big plant. और जल्दी ही baby plant big plant में grow हो जाता है. Parts of a plant. Now we will learn about the parts of a plant. A plant has many parts. Plant के बहुत सारे parts होते हैं like roots, stem, bud, fruit, leaf and flower. Let's learn about each part of the plant. Roots. Roots fixes the plant to the soil. Roots plant को soil में fix करके रखती हैं. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Roots soil से water और minerals को absorb करती हैं. Stem. Stem carries water and food to all parts of the plant. Stem water और food को plant के सब parts तक पहुंचाती है. It has leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Leaf. Leaf makes food for the plant and is called the kitchen of the plant. Leaf पूरे plant के लिए खाना बनाती है और उसे kitchen of the plant भी कहा जाता है. Bud. Bud is a small part of the plant that develops into a flower. Bud plant का वो part है जिसमें से flower बनता है. Flower. Flower is the beautiful part of the plant. It has different shapes, sizes and colors. Flower plant का वो सबसे सुंदर part है जो different shapes, sizes और colors में होता है. Fruit. Fruit is the fleshy and edible part of the plant. Fruit plant का ऐसा part है जिसे खाया जा सकता है. Fruit contains seeds. Fruit में seeds होती हैं जिससे नए plant उगाए जा सकते हैं. Let's do an activity related to germination. Today we will do an activity of germination. For that we need one disposable glass, some soil, some seeds. Here I have taken green gram. You can take any seeds of your choice and some water. First we have to put some soil in the glass. पहले हम थोड़ी मिट्टी डालेंगे. और इसको हाफ ग्लास तक भर देंगे. Now we will add the seeds. अब हम इसमें seeds डालेंगे. Now we will mix it properly. अब हम इसे अच्छे से मिलाएंगे और फिर इसमें वाटर डालेंगे, थोड़ा पानी डालेंगे जिससे ये मिट्टी थोड़ी गीली हो जाए. Now after adding water, पानी डालने के बाद हम इसे अच्छे से मिक्स करेंगे. Now our plant is ready to grow. We will keep it in the sunlight for some days and water it regularly. अब हम इसको कुछ दिन सनलाइट में रखेंगे और डेली इसमें पानी डालेंगे. After some days, it will grow in a beautiful plant. कुछ दिनों में ये एक सुंदर सा प्लांट बन जाएगा. I have a surprise for you. Wow, beautiful plant. ये प्लांट कितना ब्यूटीफुल है और कितना ग्रीन ग्रीन है. It looks so amazing, isn't it? Yes, you should do this activity at home. Let's solve the worksheet. This is the worksheet of germination. Here we have to number the pictures in the correct order. So, which is the first picture? Yes, this is the first picture. Here we can see a tiny root grows downwards. यहाँ पर seed में से एक छोटी सी root निकल रही है. So we have to write number 1 here. And now which is number 2? Yes, this is number 2. Here a tiny shoot grows upwards. यहाँ पर एक tiny shoot soil में से बाहर निकल रही है. This is number 2. Now which is number 3? Yes, this is number 3. Here we can see a stem which has leaves and the roots are growing downwards. This is number 3. Now which is number 4? Yes, this big plant. It is number 4. In this worksheet, we have to circle the things we get from plants. Now first picture is of medicines. Medicines means दवाइयाँ. दवाइयाँ हमें plants से मिलती हैं. Yes, so we have to circle them. Now second picture is of milk. We get milk from plants? No. So we should not circle it. Third picture is of yummy fruits. We get fruits from plants. Fruits हमें plants से मिलते हैं ना? Yes, so we have to circle them. Now next picture is cup and saucer. We get cup and saucer from plants? No. Now next are flowers. We get flowers from plants? Yes, so we have to circle them. Next picture is of wooden chair. Wood हमें plant से मिलती है. लकड़ी हमें plant से मिलती है ना? Yes or no? Yes. So we have to circle it. Next picture is of vegetables. सब्जियाँ. सब्जियाँ हमें plant से मिलती हैं? Yes. So we have to circle them. Now next picture is of plastic ball. हमें प्लांट से प्लास्टिक मिलता है? No, so we should not circle it. Hope you enjoyed today's session. See you soon. Bye-bye.